Welcome back to Auto Car Zone. Today I want you to imagine something for a moment. Imagine waking up early in the morning somewhere far away from busy cities and crowded streets. The sun is just starting to rise, soft golden light slowly fills the sky. And when you open the door of your camper van, you see mountains, forests, or maybe a quiet beach stretching out in front of you. There is no hotel checkout time, no noisy neighbors, and no schedule telling you where to go next. You make a fresh cup of coffee, step outside, breathe in the cool morning air, and realize that your home is parked exactly where you want it to be. This is the freedom that campervan travel gives you, and today we are exploring a van designed exactly for that lifestyle. Today's spotlight is on the Sunlight V60 Adventure Edition, a compact but incredibly smart campervan that blends adventure, comfort, and modern design into one exciting travel machine.
The Sunlight V60 Adventure Edition is built for people who love exploring new places while still enjoying the comfort of a small mobile home. It is not just about driving from one place to another, it is about creating unforgettable travel experiences. Whether you dream about driving along coastal highways, exploring quiet countryside villages, or discovering hidden campsites in the mountains, this campervan promises to be a perfect partner for those adventures.
Let's start by taking a look at the exterior design of the Sunlight V60 Adventure Edition, because the first impression of this campervan already tells you a lot about its personality. When you see this vehicle for the first time, you immediately notice its rugged and confident look. The design feels sporty and adventurous, which perfectly matches its name. The front of the van features a bold grille, modern headlights, and a strong bumper that gives it a powerful road presence. The body design is sleek yet practical, giving the van a modern appearance while keeping it ready for real travel conditions.
One of the best things about the V60 is its compact size. Unlike large motorhomes that can feel intimidating to drive, this van is much easier to handle on narrow roads, tight parking spaces, and winding mountain routes. For many travelers, this is a huge advantage because it allows them to explore places that bigger motorhomes simply cannot reach. Despite its smaller size, the V60 still manages to deliver a surprising amount of living space inside. The Adventure Edition version also includes special styling elements that make it stand out even more. Black exterior accents, sporty wheels, and unique graphics give this van a more dynamic and adventurous look. It feels like a vehicle that belongs on long road trips and outdoor explorations. Another useful feature on the exterior is the extendable side awning. This simple but brilliant addition instantly transforms the area next to your van into an outdoor living space. Imagine parking near a lake or beside a forest campsite, extending the awning, placing a small table and chairs underneath it, and enjoying a relaxing meal while surrounded by nature. It turns every stop into a comfortable outdoor lounge. The van also includes smart exterior storage areas that are perfect for carrying camping equipment, outdoor gear, and travel essentials. Whether it is folding chairs, bicycles, or hiking equipment, these storage compartments help keep the interior clean and organized while still allowing you to bring everything you need for your adventures. Now let's step inside the Sunlight V60 Adventure Edition, because this is where the campervan truly begins to shine. The interior is designed to feel warm, modern, and welcoming. Even though the vehicle is compact, the layout is cleverly planned so that every bit of space is used efficiently. Right at the front, the driver and passenger seats can rotate around to face the living area. This simple feature completely changes the feeling of the space. When the seats are turned, the front cabin becomes part of the living room. Suddenly, the small van feels much larger and more social, creating a comfortable place to relax, talk, or plan your next destination. In the center of the living area, you will usually find a small dining table that is perfect for meals, snacks, or even working on a laptop while traveling. The seating area is well cushioned and designed to stay comfortable even after long hours on the road. The materials used throughout the interior give the van a modern and stylish atmosphere while still feeling durable enough for everyday travel use. One thing that really makes the V60 interior feel special is the amount of natural light. Large windows allow sunlight to enter the cabin from multiple angles, making the space feel open and bright. During the evening, modern LED lighting provides a soft and cozy atmosphere that makes the campervan feel like a relaxing home on wheels.
Moving toward the middle section of the van, you will find the kitchen area. Even though this is a compact campervan,
The kitchen is surprisingly practical and well-designed. It typically includes a gas stove where you can cook simple meals, a sink with running water, and a refrigerator that keeps your food and drinks fresh during long journeys. This setup allows travelers to prepare meals almost anywhere. Imagine cooking breakfast beside a peaceful mountain lake, or preparing dinner while parked near a beautiful coastal sunset. Having your own kitchen inside the van means you are not dependent on restaurants or roadside stops. You can travel freely and still enjoy homemade meals wherever you go. Above and around the kitchen area, there are multiple storage cabinets designed to hold dishes, groceries, and daily travel items. These cabinets are built to stay secure, even when the vehicle is moving, which keeps everything organized and prevents items from shifting during the drive.
Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of any campervan, the sleeping area. After a full day of exploring new places, every traveler wants a comfortable place to rest, and the Sunlight V60 Adventure Edition delivers exactly that. At the rear of the van, you will find a cozy sleeping area designed to provide a relaxing and peaceful environment. The bed is positioned across the back of the van and is large enough to comfortably accommodate 2 adults. The mattress is designed to provide proper support so that travelers can wake up refreshed and ready for the next day of adventure. Large windows around the sleeping area allow you to enjoy beautiful views right from your bed. Imagine lying down at night and watching the stars through the window, or waking up to a sunrise over the mountains. These small moments are what make campervan travel truly magical.
Underneath the bed, there is a spacious storage area that can hold luggage, sports equipment, or other travel gear. This hidden storage space is extremely useful for travelers who want to bring bicycles, hiking equipment, or extra supplies for longer trips. Another impressive feature of the V60 Adventure Edition is its compact bathroom. Many people are surprised that a van of this size can include a fully functional bathroom, but Sunlight has managed to design it in a very clever way. The bathroom typically includes a toilet, a small sink, and a shower area. While it may be compact, it provides something incredibly valuable during travel, which is privacy and independence. Instead of searching for public facilities or campsite bathrooms, travelers can enjoy the convenience of having their own private space for freshening up after a long day of driving or outdoor activities. The motorhome also includes freshwater and wastewater tanks, allowing the sink and shower to function properly during your trips.
Now, let's talk about the driving performance of the Sunlight V60 Adventure Edition. After all, a campervan must not only be comfortable to live in, but also reliable and enjoyable to drive. This motorhome is typically powered by a modern turbo diesel engine that delivers a great balance between power and fuel efficiency. The engine usually produces around 140 to 160 horsepower, which is more than enough to handle highways, hills, and long road trips with confidence. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the V60. On average, this campervan can achieve around 25 to 30 miles per gallon, depending on road conditions and driving style. For travelers planning long journeys, this level of efficiency can make a big difference in overall travel costs. Driving the V60 feels surprisingly easy. The steering is responsive, the suspension is comfortable, and the overall driving experience feels similar to operating a large van rather than a heavy motorhome. This makes it a great choice for both experienced camper drivers and people who are new to the motorhome lifestyle. The van also includes several safety and driver assistance features designed to make long journeys safer and less stressful. These can include systems like lane assistance, traction control, advanced braking systems, and parking sensors that help drivers maneuver the vehicle in tight spaces.
When you compare the Sunlight V60 Adventure Edition to larger motorhomes, one of its biggest advantages becomes clear. While big motorhomes may offer more interior space, they can also be more difficult to drive, park, and maintain. The V60 offers a balanced solution. It gives travelers the comfort of a small home while keeping the flexibility and simplicity of a campervan. This makes it a fantastic option for couples, solo travelers, or small travel partners who want freedom and mobility without sacrificing comfort. It is a vehicle built not just for transportation, but for lifestyle and exploration. In terms of price, the Sunlight V60 Adventure Edition usually falls within the range of around $70,000 to $90,000 US, depending on the market and additional options chosen by the buyer. This places it in the mid-range campervan category, offering a strong combination of design, features, and practicality. Sunlight motorhomes are especially popular in Europe, where campervan travel is a major lifestyle trend. However, interest in compact adventure vans like the V60 is growing around the world as more people discover the joy of flexible travel and outdoor exploration. Now we would love to hear your thoughts. If you owned the Sunlight V60 Adventure Edition, where would your first road trip take you? Would you drive through snowy mountain roads, explore peaceful forests, or travel along endless coastal highways? Share your dream destination in the comments below, because we always enjoy hearing about your travel ideas. The Sunlight V60 Adventure Edition proves that you do not need a huge motorhome to experience luxury and freedom on the road. With its smart interior design, practical features, comfortable living space, and adventure-ready personality, it offers everything many travelers need for unforgettable journeys. It is compact, efficient, and designed for people who believe that the best way to explore the world is one road trip at a time. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible campervans, luxury motorhomes, and exciting travel vehicles, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Auto Car Zone for more amazing automotive adventures.